Hey guys, Austin from MeasureSquare here, and in this video we'll show you how to add an alternate to your bid without it affecting your grand total. This process is as simple as we can make it. There's a button for alternates, you can click from your bid or your quote, and you can include a lump sum total. This could be for an extra room or unit, or a quick price comparison of different materials, or for any other change, addition, or upgrade before your bid is accepted. For this project, we will be adding an extra room. Our bid and quote documents were created ahead of time. All we need to do is add the alternate. This process is very similar for both, so let's just start with the quote. We'll find the box for alternates, and we'll name it West Wing. Then add a line item, or load the product data for an extra room. This is a very simple way to add your lump sum total. You can leave it as plain or as detailed as you like. At the end, you'll see the grand total, as well as the separate totals for any proposed alternates. For bids, the process is very similar. Find the box, label the extra room, and jot down the product information and cost. When the bid has been accepted and signed, any other changes will be covered through the change order document. Be sure to check out that video if you haven't already. I'll leave a link in the description below. That's all for now, and thanks for watching. Remember to hit your favorite buttons down below, and I'll see you in the next one.